Hi guys, my name is Alicia and I am one of the co-founders of Bubka along with my husband. Bubka came about because I needed help with my breastfeeding journey and we want to be there for you too. So we have an incredible range of products, and what I want to start with first is our Bubka Glow. This is coming out in October and we are so proud and excited about this. Not to mention the gorgeous carry case that it comes with. But our silver nipple cups, these are perfect for the hospital. Cannot stress enough how important these are. Their healing quality is beyond. It's magical mixed with breast milk. So these are a must. We have some amazing storage options for your milk, and these have a second life. Perfect for snacks on the go. And then finally, our breastfeeding breast pump wipes. Perfect on the go, perfect for those manky high chairs at cafes as well. But I took this with me everywhere and I could clean on the go, no issues at all. So come and check us out, bubka.com.au. We would love to see you.